Al-Baik. Blockbuster yung ano. Al-Baik.
Ha?
Where are we?
We are in Hapke.
Ano sinilas na order? Daming tao every Thursday. Ah! Not you. Ayun, it's you. Kuya.
Cool.
This is the amphitheater. Banana Beach. Hi guys. Hi. Can you take them photos with me? Okay, sure. Wow, 4.
Here.
3. Yeah, we know. This one, oh, hiramin natin siya.
This one charge. That is for them.
For them. I love it there. Nice.
Well, you said it's charge. This is
Their
silent.
topics is about politics. There's a future
Yeah, Congressman.
Prime Minister.
Vote for Mr. Modi. Yeah.
Okay.
Kuya, anong trabaho niyo dito?
Janitor ako.
Finance guy from the
Safety. Mga safety engineer
He
siya.
all the payment of vendors from Aramco. He is the money man.
Money man.
Blueberry, strawberry, watermelon. 3 blue candy.
It doesn't look like blue.
I'm
I was
surprised to
thinking
see blueberry in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
the straw.
Drop this.
Straw?
Nasa loob ko yung straw.
You have tissue also?
Ano po?
Ano daw? Under renovation sila.
Ako kasi yung nakaraan eh.
Thank you.
Okay, salamat. Tara, boss.
Sabos. Pawisan ako. Yes, here, good. Dito na lang. Here. No, that is blocking the wind. Here, open. Ah, damage na lang. Bakit kinukutkot niya? Sam, where's your music? So they have promo here at No Coffee. 85 real for 6 drinks. You can choose Like we got blue candy berry, blueberry, melon, 6 for 85 riyals with 3 cakes. And our boss is busy. Oh. Hi Muhammad, we are here at Banana Beach.
Hi.
Fanateer. I wish you were here because we ordered extra drinks for you.
What is for you?
Yeah.